So this is just a little, this is the next day after what I'm about to edit, but I found a new channel. I came up with a new channel name. So since that cat guy doesn't seem to fit anymore, it's just Going Somewhere. That's the new channel name, is Going Somewhere, because I'm going somewhere with these vehicles and I don't know where I'm going with it. I don't know if I'm going here, there, anywhere, going to the shop, breaking down, I don't know. We just going somewhere, and that's the new name of the channel. So enjoy this one, Rattlesnake Coon Dog Cemetery, and yeah. What is up? It is like 5 something in the morning, like 5:02. I don't even know. Either way, oh, I can't even hear out my ear right now. I decided to Q-tip my ear, and apparently I just pushed a big old ball of wax against my eardrum, so I can't hear out my right ear right now. Let the Jeep warm up. Yesterday's video, I talked about how my headlight was pissing me off. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, they're damn cheap eBay headlights. Not me, I didn't do it. Previous owner did it. So right now, we're headed to Elmore, Alabama to go pick up basically my helper. I mean, at work he's my helper, so we're gonna go pick him up. Hopefully he's awake. He hasn't texted me yet. He said he was gonna wake up at 5, which I don't know how that's gonna work out, but either way, I guess we're about to find out. Look at all these Jeeps. God, this is wild. Jeeps, more Jeeps. So we're finally in Muscle Shoals, meeting up with another group of Jeeps. Oh boy, he got boggers on his Jeep. God dang. Oh my God, look at all these dudes. Holy shit. Dear God, let's just take over the parking lot. This is insane how many people we got out here right now. Holy crap. Look at all these. Look at all these. I can't zoom in right now. Shit. We're in the last like 4. I don't think I can. I can't. Whatever. Oh, I need that Jeep. I want to get one thing clear. I left my house at 5 o'clock. And it is now 12. I've driven 7 hours just to eat a hamburger underneath a rock. 7 hours for a hamburger. Just throw that out there. I'm just really hoping it's a good ass hamburger. Because we're probably what, less than 15 minutes away now? Probably. So I hope this is a good hamburger. 7 hours. 7 hours. Turn. Wait. What's happening? I think they missed their turn. I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, they're coming this way. God. They missed their turn. We're having a little bit of problem parking right now. All those are Jeeps. Oh, we can't. Wish I could drop down that.
Jordan. Hey, lady.
Wow. This is so freaking cool. Yeah, I want to sit in the sun too.
Come on, I don't want him to hear what it's told.
Look at this. We're hitting a deer.
They don't know that. Yeah, that's now the vinyl ones, I might. They're like actually. It takes time to actually do those.
Oh, I had the water land in my cup. It's one heck of a smoking area. So we're about to leave, and I felt like opening up my sunroof. Kind of like the hardtop people, they just kind of take off the panels above their front seat. You know, us soft top guys, we usually drop it, but no, I'm just gonna ride with half of it open and the back window open. I'm gonna see how this is gonna work. That way, if it gets too cold or windy, I can just slow down and pull it back over, or stop for a second and close it up real quick. But it ain't that bad. It's high 60s now, I think. Oh yeah, and by the way, food's great. I mean 7 hours is a little long to drive. Actually, well, no, it wouldn't have been 7 hours if we didn't meet up with people.
Yeah.
It would have been what, 3 hours and 30 minutes? It's 3.5 hours roughly to get up here.
Yeah.
That's a little bit better. Yeah, because we're only 3.5 hours away from your house. So that's a little bit better. I wouldn't say 7 hours like what we did today, but 3 hours, it's not bad. There's still a good bit of Jeeps here. Then found the problem. Right here. Those clips are broken. And that's why my light rocks. I need a new mounting bracket for my headlight. Rattlesnake Saloon to going to go see dead coon dog graves. Someone suggested to me to come out here. There's no way I'm gonna be up here again anytime soon. So if they want to go see it, I might as well tag along since it's so close to Rattlesnake, like less than 10 miles away from Rattlesnake. So about to see what this is about. Some national forest management area. I can't remember. I gotta look at the sign again. Underwood Coon Dog Memorial Park. I need to quit putting my finger in front of it. You got my name in it. Let's see what this is all about. Coon dogs. Oh shit. Put this bitch in first gear.
I mean, of course.
Let's see, what was that? Bobo? There's Hank. Damn, Hank, you dead. Oh. Was that rock?
Oh, we got Fanny down here. Now Fanny was born in 1965.
This is probably the most fancy one here. Of course, it's gonna be crooked. First dogs, 1937.
That not saying it, ain't that?
That's pretty awesome.
That is really neat to have that carved out.
Partner, best friend. Aw. It's naturally filtered. Let's get you a drink. It won't kill you.
There's one up in St. Clair County that we used to go to all the time for it.
There's one close to my grandparents' place out in Harpersville area.
I just walked.
Tuscumbia, and it's taking us down some of these, we're trying to get the Interstate 22. It's taking us through these country bumpkin roads, which I should be used to be honest with you, but middle of fucking nowhere, headed towards the interstate. Just left the group because apparently we're supposed to turn here, and well, I really don't know. Wait, we still have 3 hours to drive? Yeah, 3 hours. So fucking 9:40s when we're gonna get back to Coleman's house, and then I gotta drive another 40 minutes from there. So it ought to be a very interesting day. Oh, there's a swamp. Oh, this is a cool little ride though, for real. Kind of like riding down a dirt road, it's up pavement. Ended up being in the middle of the state, just right outside Tennessee, like 20 miles outside Tennessee. Now we're on Interstate 22, and when we hopped on the interstate, we were 9 miles away from Mississippi. edge of the state in one fucking day. I don't even know how many miles it was. Oh, almost 200 miles since we filled up in Birmingham. All right, I guess it's 11:46 at night. We when we left the cemetery, the Coon Dog Cemetery, we trying to think, I don't remember what time. It was a little after 6, I do believe. Yeah, it was like 6:30. I can't remember exactly, but we stopped twice. We stopped once to get food and use the bathroom. We stopped to get gas, because I actually ran this thing almost completely out of gas, because there's not many stops on Interstate 22. So we took 65 all the way up for the most part, and then used some country roads to cut across on. And you know, there's plenty of gas stations that way, but from the cemetery to my house, it was quicker to use Interstate 22, which put us like 9 miles away from the Mississippi state line. So I don't know how I went from the center of Alabama all the way to the far west side. But, you know, either way, I got back to Coleman's house in Elmore, you know, Elmore Grocery, you know, close to that area, at like 10:30. It's 11:47 now. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can. But I actually got me an Iron City Wranglers club banner vinyl for the top of my windshield. I put it on crooked too, but it's a common theme with us putting on those banners crooked. So I don't know how much footage I got. Some of it's probably gonna be from Snapchat, because I thought I recorded, you know, like this, but I actually only recorded certain things on Snapchat, and I figured that out after I got to the cemetery. So I wasn't about to drive all the way back there. I mean, I didn't know where the hell I was at. That's way north Alabama, and hiccups, in Tuscumbia. So I may just have to deal with Snapchat videos also. You know, oh well, shit. You know, shit happens. Really hope a game warden doesn't like come at me and it's like, hey, you can't do that. Which I've seen a couple. I saw one in Tuscumbia, and that's about it. But I'm just trying to make an outro, so I mean, you know, whatever. They can give me a warning. But yeah. So far, as far as the food, let me talk about Rattlesnake. It's a really cool area, super cool restaurant. I mean, it's badass for the location of that place is awesome. I mean, it's pretty impressive, and the scenery. It was just awesome. The food, I mean, it's a hamburger. I mean, what do you want me to say about a hamburger? It's not a Vicky's hamburger, or, you know, Vicky's. I mean, that's a big hamburger. But anyway, the cemetery, we looked around, really found I think I'll roll in some pictures early. Actually, I will. I know I did. This is before I edit, so I'm tired, guys. I left my house at 5 o'clock this morning, and it's, you know, almost 12. So there's, y'all see some of the stuff I'm talking about. It'll be earlier on. Some of the pictures I took. We found there was a sign that said freshwater spring, so we walked down to it. There was underground water, and somebody put a concrete pipe that had a hole in it, so it had like a little pool there. You know, like a 2-foot little pipe, and it puddled up some water, and then it ran down the rest of the way the hill. It wasn't like it opened up to a small pond in the middle of the mountains, but the ride back was pretty cool. Google gave me some weird ass fucking back roads, which I only have Snapchat videos of, and it took me down some crazy ways. Like, there were some sharp hairpin turns where I actually went off the road and slid in the mud, and I had no traction. So of course I don't have any of that on video because I was busy driving. I mean, I was just following GPS. Next thing you know, I'm off the road. But all in all, it was a really good day. I've been in the Jeep for a total of, Coleman was in the Jeep for a total of like 10 hours, and then I technically only live 40 minutes away, but this adds, you know, let's just say I'd spent 11 hours in the Jeep. But it's not the most comfortable ride, but it certainly is really enjoyable. I'm really starting to like this Jeep a lot more. I feel a little bit more official with my banner. You know, I got an off-road bumper, I got a winch. You know, I feel like a true Jeep person once again. Got some more mods to do, but you know, whatever. My Jeep's plenty capable for what it is. And yeah, good group of people. Iron City Wranglers, I like that group. They're active, they're nice, they're not like stuck up Jeep people or Jeep this, Jeep that. I mean, hell, they even talk about, some of them even want to talk about trucks. So I think, I mean, hell, I know I'm sticking with this club. This club's not just a buy-sell group, it's pretty fucking awesome. For, you know, lack of better words. Oh, bump. Okay, but either way, now that I'm coming back on pavement, I'm gonna kill these lights. Like, comment, subscribe, and oh boy, that got a lot more dark than I thought it would. So, oh shit. Yes, I know it happens every video where I vlog while I drive. It's over with.
It's on.
Fucking, there's the Mississippi State line. What mile is this? Mile 10. How did we end up from the middle of the fucking state to goddamn almost Mississippi? Oh shit. I meant to stop there. I didn't mean to stop there. I didn't realize I was empty. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, there it goes. Oh, come back. Oh, it's back on. Oh, it's off again. It's off. Telling the picture. That bitch crookeder than shit.